Hi, fellow investors. Do you know you could able to invest and be a part of any big shopping complex in Hyderabad or a multiplex in Bangalore or a big renting apartment in Mumbai with just 10,000 rupees? What you heard is right. If you want to go ahead and buy a real estate property, you need to have an at least 50 lakhs in hand as a token in advance, and for the registrations, and the rest of amount is going to be more than 1 crore, depends on what kind of property that you are looking for and what is the location. But with just 10,000 rupees in hand, you could able to be a part of any big shopping complex or a multiplex or a hospital or any huge apartment within the India in any of the big city. This concept is nothing but REIT, real estate investment trusting fund, which exactly works same like a mutual fund. They took money from all the investors like you and me, and they go ahead and buy the rented income generating properties within the India in any of the big city, and whenever they got the rent, they are going to distribute equally to all the investors in the form of dividends. As per the SEBI rules, 90% of the incomes which they are getting from the rents needs to be distributed equally to all the investors like you and me. We have three popular REITs in India. One is Brookfield, other one is Mindspace, and the third one is Embassy. These three REITs have a very strong management, and they go ahead and buy the rented income generating properties like hospitals, shopping complex, big shopping malls, theaters, and highly rented apartment properties. And then whenever they got the rent, they're going to distribute equally to all the investors. And then whenever those share companies rates are going to increase, then your money whatever you have invested into those rates will also get generated into huge returns in the future. It just works like a stock market, as same like a stock market. You need to have a brokerage account to go ahead and buy those REITs. Either it could be a Zerodha or Upstack or an ICICI or an HDFC. You just need to have a brokerage account, and whenever you open a brokerage account, you could able to search these three REITs in that brokerage account, and you could able to buy those REITs with just 10,000 rupees in hand, so that you could be a part of those big shopping complex or a multiplex, and then you could able to generate a regular passive income in the form of dividends. They pay the dividends on every quarter. There will be so many advantages when it compares with the REITs to the real physical assets. Very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
90% of the people I'm going to discuss about. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about a tool